Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Suzuki Boulevard S40. This is the 650cc single cylinder, lightweight cruiser bike, low seat height, perfect starter, great for a new rider. It's got the engine guards with highway pegs, only 862 miles. I love the blacked out engine and black wheels, and it's got a beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. Come on by, make your Boulevard S40 dreams come true. This bike's priced to sell only $49.99. It is not going to be here long, so don't wait. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.